y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. Today I'm going to show you 4 steps to learn virtually any strumming pattern. Let's do it. Ukulele Wine Time. So this is a method I've been teaching my students for a couple of years now, and it's worked really, really well for them. I've had more students have these aha moments with strumming and like, oh my gosh, it's clicking into place. It finally makes sense. This method also helps you be more comfortable with rhythm and less confused. It's going to help you keep a consistent strumming pattern throughout the song. And it's also a great tool for those of you who want to sing while you're strumming. So I'm going to take you through the method first with a simpler strumming pattern, then we're going to apply it to the island strum. Ready? So here's step 1. Step 1, we need to find the heartbeat or the tempo or the speed with which we want to play the pattern. And that could also be the speed of your song, though generally, if you're practicing, you're going to want to slow it down a little bit. All right, so say this is our heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can find that somewhere in your body. You can tap your foot. Just make sure you're feeling that somewhere physically in your body. And bonus points if you count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2, you're going to start your clock hand, okay? So I've got my heartbeat. Now for each of those numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna move my hand down. Okay, so that's my downstroke. So in our strumming patterns, we have up and down, right? So I'm locking into that heartbeat or that tempo, not touching the strings. By the way, you can just hold it up. You don't have to hold a chord in your left hand. You can just prop it up. So now let's put those two things together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, so this is my clock hand. So I'm going down on the downbeats and up on the upbeats or the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So that's step 2. Step 3, we're going to say the pattern out loud while doing your clock hand. So the pattern we're going to try first is down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So I'm putting that on the screen here for you. And we're going to move our clock hand at our tempo or our heartbeat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. You better be saying it out loud. That's a really, really important part of this. If you can say it, it's easier to play it. Okay, step 4, you guessed it. Now we get to finally play it. I'm just going to use a C chord, just a basic C chord to play this pattern. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, keep going, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, stop. All right, how'd you do? Just to review, those 4 steps are: number 1, find your heartbeat. Number 2, start your clock hand. Number 3, say the pattern out loud while doing your clock hand. And number 4, then you can finally play the pattern. By the way, this is a really great way to get in your 5 minutes of practice every day. So whatever song you're working on, pick one chord from it, take that strumming pattern, and then you can apply this method, set a timer on your watch, and go through your strumming pattern for 5 minutes and see how it feels. Now let's apply it to a more complex strumming pattern. So we're going to take the island strum, which is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, so we're going to use our steps and apply it to the island strum. Step 1, I'm going to find my heartbeat. I'm going to slow that down a little bit. So the tempo I just played was about 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll try that at the end for a bonus, but I'm going to slow it down a little bit. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tap your foot. You can actually tap your heart. Just feel that rhythm, that heartbeat in your body. All right, that's our step 1. Step 2, you're going to move your clock hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start thinking about the upbeats. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. That's our consistent clock hand. I'm doing this the whole time I'm strumming. All right, step 3, and you can just keep this going. We're going to say the pattern out loud while we've got our rhythm locked in. We've got our clock hand going. Here we go. 1, 2, say it out loud. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Last time, down, down, up, down, and stop. All right, 4 times is a good number to do it. Now, I've been holding a C chord here. Now let's play it on a C chord. By the way, when you're just practicing that rhythm, you can just, again, prop it up. All right, so now we're gonna put it all together. Step 4, we're gonna play it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 and stop. All right, and there you have it. 4 steps to make learning any strumming pattern millions of light years easier to learn. As promised, let's speed that up a little bit. Okay, so we'll go through the steps again. So we were just doing, here was our tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna speed it up. How about here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. There's my heartbeat. We're gonna start our clock hands. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna say it. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. All right, great job. Let me know if you try it out and how those 4 steps work for you. By the way, over on my Patreon channel, it is the Year of the Strum 2026. So if you're seeing this video in January of 2026 and you want to join in for some strumming support, we're going to be working on that with the group. It's our focus this year. If you're seeing this after that, of course, you can still join and you can always go watch the replay videos over on my Patreon channel. That tier is called Ukulele Wine Club. No wine is necessary. I'm rocking my water right now. I'm hydrating. Cheers to you for learning a new skill, working on something creative, and putting some music out into the world. All right, hope to see you soon. Once again, my name is Kathryn. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.